It's your girl Stacey and Jay, and I am back with another video. Do you notice anything different about me? Yes! I cut my hair! See, I couldn't whip anything. I was whipping my scalp. But anyways, yes, I cut my hair and I bleached it myself and toned it. I love the color, and guess what? I recorded the process, so I'm about to give you a tutorial on how I got this color. Alrighty, it is very, I'm not going to say that it's very easy, but it's very simple instructions. I made sure that I was very detailed with everything that I said in the tutorial. But again, if you are seeing this, please make sure that you are wearing gloves when you are bleaching your hair. Make sure that you're washing out the bleach first before you shampoo your hair. Okay? And make sure that you are washing out your hair with lukewarm water. Cold is even better, but if you can't handle cold, lukewarm, not hot water at all, okay? Because there is chemicals in your hair and it's already burning your scalp, and you need your scalp to be cooled down. You need your cuticles to be relaxed after all of that pressure, okay? So I'm gonna say it here, and I know I'm gonna be saying it in the tutorial. Alrighty, and everything that you need is gonna be in the tutorial, but just make sure you have gloves, you're using gloves, and you follow everything to a T from start to finish, okay? The details are very important, or else you're gonna end up with a patchy mess, okay? Alrighty, let's get into the video. These are the products that you're going to need for today's video. The Shea Moisture Power Green Shampoo and Conditioner is bomb.com. I highly recommend it. You're going to need your Shimmer Lights shampoo. You're going to need your developer. I use 30. 40 is so unnecessary for your hair. You're going to need your mixing bowl with a mixing brush. You're going to need your bleach. I get the pack because my hair is short. You're going to need your toner. This is your toner. This one is Walla. I use T10, and for the volume I use 20. You can use 10 if you don't want to go that up. You need your combs, wide teeth and closed tooth combs. Make sure your hair is not washed at least 7 days prior. If your hair was washed the same day or the day before, do not bleach your hair. 2 weeks is perfect. So now I'm combing through my hair, because when you comb your hair prior to dyeing it or putting bleach in it, this prevents it from being patchy, and it makes everything evenly get distributed to your hair. Okay, so we're gonna comb that out, and if you have longer hair, you would use the wider teeth comb. I don't know what I'm combing up my scalp, but yeah. And then you would section your hair in 4 pieces. You would start from the middle, ends, and then you go to the roots, but we're doing short hair. So anyways, so here's your bleach. I use 1 pack of bleach, and I use 2 ounces of 30 developer. I end up putting a little bit more to get the consistency that I wanted. Please wear a mask. You're gonna see why just now. Shake the bag down. Please wear gloves. Please, please. I beg you. Wear the gloves, man. I couldn't find any, so I'm about to put some plastic bags over my hands to mix this, so it's gonna look real. Jesus. So mixing. See, you want your consistency to look like perm, but more creamier. You know, you want it to look like porridge, like creamy hair. So I comb through it again just to make sure. Now you want to lightly tap it on the top of your hair. Like I said, if your hair is long, you're going to start in the back in section pieces. But because my hair is short, everything will be, the process is much quicker. So you see me daggering the brush into my scalp. That's me making sure that the bleach gets into my roots. You can wear gloves at this time. I couldn't find any at the moment. But you're going to press everything in. Not rub, but press. It looks like I'm rubbing because you can't see my fingers. I go back in with the brush to make sure again, and make sure you have a mirror so you can see what's going on in the back. Get every crease and corner with that brush, honey.
Oh hell no!
Oh god. Oh god. So we're gonna tackle that in the back. 1 second. So I went and did that off camera. I'm just tapping everything in. So this is when you're going to need a shower cap, or you can use a plastic bag like I did. You're going to press the bag down just to make sure that everything is compressed. And you will leave the bleach on your hair no longer than 45 minutes. So from 35 to 45 minutes max. Whew. Yes. I wanted to keep it this color, but I'm just like, let me just tone it. So I comb through it again before I go in with the toner. Combing scalp. So I use the whole bottle of the toner, and then I use 3 ounces of the 20 developer. See, all that noise outside is why I'm doing a voiceover. You understand? Okay. Shake that bad boy up. In this cup, we put the whole body. In this cup. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up, yeah. Tall Spice to make a remix and put me on it. So the same thing with the bleach, lightly tap, work your way in, same thing. Yes, I did find gloves. I forgot to mention, I did. These are cleaning gloves, but it's okay. It looks way better than a plastic bag, I can tell you that much. We're gonna paint like we're artists. Yes. So when you are washing out your toner, make sure you wash it out first before you shampoo your hair. You're going to shampoo your hair with lukewarm water. Don't you just love this color? So we're using the Shea Moisture Conditioner. We're going to rub that in our hands, warm it up, and then massage that into our scalp. Honey, our scalp went through it today. It got bleached. It was washed probably like 8 times. So we're going to put that moisture back into our hair. Massage it. And I add tea tree oil to my conditioner also. It's 5 minutes already. Let me tell you how the time just flies. Man in YouTube world, right? I'm going to put an apple cider vinegar rinse that I have. Spray that into my hair. And then I will leave this in my hair for like about, I don't know, 40 minutes. And then I will take my bath, okay? So, now that I'm going to do all of that, I will see you guys tomorrow when I go and get my hair cut. And we're going to see the final results together, okay? Alrighty? The next day is gonna start. Hey! Woo! It is the next day. I got my hair cut. Don't you look at the new color? I don't know if you can see everything because I can't, like. Can you see it? Can you? Yeah, yes! Yes, it is the next day. I love my hair. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yes, I love it. I love it. And I am gonna go a shade up, and when I do that, and when I'm coloring and doing all that crazy stuff, I am going to teach y'all what I'm doing, okay? And make sure when I am doing these color videos, you are paying attention. I don't want no one to blame me for their hair falling out. No, sis, you are not paying attention, okay? I'm actually a professional, so everything that I'm telling you is real, okay? So when we are doing these hair tutorials, like I said, if it involves color, any type of chemicals, please follow the instructions to a T. Okay, and I'm gonna repeat that, please. Alrighty? Because we ain't trying to be patchy over here. We're trying to be healthy. Healthy hair, healthy life, like healthy everything, in and out, alright? But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that this is helpful. If anyone follows these instructions and got this hair color, let me know. DM me on Instagram. I want to see pictures, okay? I want to see, alright? Thank you so much. I love y'all, and stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be making wigs soon, honey. Alrighty, y'all. Mwah.